It holds a good bit of prescriptions. I think it's 200 plus drugs. So when you're filling, you know, your top 200 drugs that are in the system, it makes for a much more efficient day. Frees up a little more time for the technicians. They're still, of course, they're filling prescription, taking prescriptions off of the system and such. But as far as efficiency goes, it makes their flow a little bit better. So I think it makes their job easier. It helps me because, again, I keep going back to the flow, the counter flow. I think that that's when you're a busy pharmacy, that's important. It helps the flow on the counter. I'm very comfortable with the accuracy of the filling, so I know if it's coming out of the ADS system that I don't have to worry about a misfill, and that makes me, you know, comfortable. Yeah, if my counter's running more efficiently, so am I. RxMedic support is fantastic. We call them, they always answer the phone quickly, they're on a problem as quick as they possibly can be. They're quick to speak to us, to resolve a problem, and if they have to come out here and take care of a problem, they're always here in a decent amount of time. I think that their support is fantastic. I think that I probably would tell them, I've seen a lot of different systems. There's a lot of advantages to the system over the others. If you're a busy pharmacy, it definitely helps your flow, your time management, it helps your technicians. I think your accuracy. There's a couple little, like collation area I like on the RxMedic machine. The pictures that are taken for drug accuracy, I think that's fantastic. The sounds minute, but it actually caps the bottles, and I think that helps the flow of the machine. Some other machines don't do that. And again, the staff at RxMedic really makes it worthwhile as far as dealing with a great support staff there. It actually snaps a picture of the drug as it's dispensing it into the bottle, and then you compare that to a stock picture. So even if, although there's no issue with accuracy or misfills with the ADS system, you can actually look and see the picture of the drug that went in the bottle and compare it to the stock picture, which I think is neat. The support staff takes care of the bulk of the maintenance on the machine. You know, there's some minor things. You know, you have to fill up the vials, you have to fill up your inventory. As far as, you know, there might be some minor cleaning involved, but beyond that, there's not much maintenance at all. Okay. You get a drug that's actually not in their system. They recently have upgraded to where you can calibrate yourself and add it into the system. It used to be that you would have to wait a couple weeks for a drug to get into the system, and now you can actually calibrate. They've taught us how to calibrate it yourself, and it's awesome. You can put a drug in the day it comes in. Oh my gosh, it's amazing how far it's come since it first came in. I think that's probably the biggest thing is the auto calibration, being able to calibrate a drug right here in the store. That's fantastic. They've done a lot of tweaks as far as the bins go. They've upgraded the bins that you put the drugs in. I think that was a big part of it. They've created larger bins for larger drugs. I think that's a big deal. I like the feature of the real-time photo, taking the picture of the drug that's going into the bottle. I like that a lot about it. We've had the RxMedic machine for 3 years now.